How's the juice? Hi, sir. Hi. Ready for the toss? Both the captains come here. Line up. Who will flip the coin?
Okay. Head and tails. Jai Mahakal.
Heads is the call.
Heads it is.
Dead.
And heads it is.
It's similar way. I'm not telling that if loose ball comes also makes it. Loose ball comes with 30.
Team meeting on.
के लिए भी कर लो सिलेक्ट
ऑडियंस का ये शॉट बनता है ना भाई.
बाकी बाहर आ.
Waiting and trying to see their match so that we can make our strategy.
अच्छे से इनकी रणनीति समझो. This is the first ball of the tournament.
Prakash is going to bowl the first over, and Rajesh Bachu will face the first ball. That's a good ball. Long ball.
शॉट.
What a
बहुत बढ़िया.
लास्ट मारने के बाद स्ट्रेट ही आएगा वो.
Last two balls. Good shot. The last ball of the innings. Last ball of the innings.
6 को ट्राई कर. निदान.
Well done.
ಅತ್ಯುತ್ತಮವಾದ ಹೊಡೆತ. ಯಾವುದೇ ರನ್ಗಳಿಲ್ಲ. It's a catch. And the 6. Or it's a neck-to-neck matches.
Yes, it's going a neck to neck.
Good batting by Sahil and it's बहुत ही बढ़िया चाहिए. There are 12 balls.
12 balls 10 runs चाहिए.
बहुत ही बढ़िया कैप्टनसी बाय मिस्टर जीत एंड बहुत ही बढ़िया गेंदबाज का इस्तेमाल और बहुत ही सही कदम का इस्तेमाल.
Match is going to
मैच इज गोइंग टू बी वेरी
neck
नेक टू नेक. कोच एनालिसिस आपको क्या लगता है श्रीनिवास सारा वज्रम न्यूटन का ये जो
Well played. Raj bhai, are you fine?
at the rate of 9.63.
and we are going for the toss. We will call. Ready is going to call. With messages. It is tails. North Star won the toss and they are going to chase down.
ನಾರ್ದನ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಅವರು ಸ್ಟ್ರಗಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ರನ್ ಗಳಿಸಕ್ಕೆ ಮೌಕಾ है.
Six है. Well done. Six है. Well done.
Very good effort by Ritesh. Very good effort by Northern Stars.
Well done. Well played, captain.
Super.
Well bowled, Saurabh. Well played.
Well played.
We won.
No, we won. Discussion is going on.
These captains.
Captains.
Heads is the ball.
And heads it is.
Just to bat.
That's a good try for a singer. It's a close shot. Oh, Raj hasn't picked the ball. Oh, that was a brilliant ball. It's a tight over. Please score, please. 40 for 4.
10 balls, come on.
Shot and a four. Brilliant.
हाय करो सन भी है ऐसे है वो क्या दिखा रहा है ऐसे हाय हाय टू पापा
Great audience here.
Bye bye.
Hello.
Hello, bye bye. Hi, बहुत मस्त चल रहा है टूर्नामेंट तो.
Manoj is there. Good bowling display from Prashant and good attacking fielding. Good strategy, Javid.
So you are going to play final match.
Thank you.
Congratulations and all the best.
Thank you, sir.
Hunters won the toss and choose to bat in a great final. And this is gonna be a great final between the Smashers and Hunters.
Rajesh, what about your team performance?
My team has been lost in the league at the last place.
A warm welcome for everyone and a good evening for everyone. Now here we are in the finals of Hunter on the toss and they choose to bat first.
The fans are simple. They don't want
Smashers.
Chalo, all the best, guys.
A pumping hit has to come from the captain. That's a pumping hit from Giles Bhai. Sorry for the technical issues. Ready?
हाँ नीरज
Yep.
है इधर आके वीकेंड में प्रैक्टिस करना चाहिए.
Hunters have won the toss and they choose to bat first and the score has went to 60 for all out. Let's see how Smashers could smash this innings.
officials commentator ಬರ್ತಾರೆ
9 ಓವರ್ಗಳು ಬಾಕಿ ಇವೆ. ಮೊದಲನೇ ಓವರ್ನ ಮುಕ್ತಾಯ. ಸ್ಕೋರ್ 10 ರನ್ಗೆ 1 ವಿಕೆಟ್. 10 ರನ್ಗಳಿಗೆ 1 ವಿಕೆಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ 9 ಓವರ್ಗಳು ಬಾಕಿ ಇದೆ. 9 ಓವರ್ಗಳಿಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರುವಂಥ ರನ್ ರೇಟ್ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಬಹಳ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದೆ.
ಕೇವಲ 51 ರನ್ ಬೇಕು. 9 ಓವರ್ಗಳಿದ್ದಾವೆ. ಧೀರಜ್, ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಧೀರಜ್. ಧೀರಜ್. ಉತ್ತಮವಾದ ಡಿಫೆನ್ಸ್.
Winning moment.
ಪ್ರದರ್ಶನ ವಿಶ್ವರಾಜರಿಂದ ಸ್ಮ್ಯಾಶರ್ಸ್ ತಂಡದವರು ಬಹಳ ಅದ್ಭುತವಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಒಂದು ಅದ್ಭುತವಾದ ಬಾಯ್ಸ್ VNT gets under Daesh.
Well played, captain.
Thank you.
Congratulations, winners team. VNTPL winner.
VNT Premier League winners is Smashers. And Neeraj Bhai want to big boss. So, our first match, Relentless Warriors versus Smasher. With his great performance, the man of the match goes to Harstosh. 1 for 15. Congratulations.
Anywhere you go, you belong. Anywhere you say, anywhere.
The winners are Smashers.
Whoa!
Congratulations, team. The toss is yours. I want Jeet to speak few words about his team.
I would like to thank all my team members. I could say like it is an entire team effort. Everyone has given their best, and all credit goes to all my team members. Cheers!
Thank you, Jeet.
Cheer up, boys.
Thanks each and everyone who has been participated here. Sunshine, Pawan who has been there.